The one thing that Abbott Label does better than anybody else is service. You know, everything is a priority with us. This is John Abbott with Abbott Label. We're a manufacturer of both stock and custom pressure-sensitive labels. We carry over 400 different sizes on our floor, ready to ship out the same day. And the number one thing that we focus on is service. We're strategically located in 4 manufacturing facilities across the United States. All plants run 3 shifts, 24 hours a day. Home office is here in Dallas, Texas. And we've got great people, and we focus on our people. Pre-COVID, we were at 163 employees. Now, we're at 205 employees. So 25% we've added on workforce. So hiring's been just a major focus of the corporation, as it has to be. We know our price is competitive. We know our quality is excellent. We've gone with quality vendors all the way through. I mean, we've got so many great accounts and great relationships over our 40 years of business. There's really not much that we can't do. We were so impressed with Domino coming out of the gates, but at that time, there weren't a whole lot of Dominoes out in the United States. There weren't a lot on the floor. There's one thing my dad told me was, John, don't ever be the guinea pig. Let other people, you know, hit their thumb with the hammer and then build off of that. So we had the HP in first. It served its purpose. Got no issues with HP whatsoever. Great company, great service, great quality, everything. But we were limited on how much footage we could run through the HP. And that's where we brought the Domino in. We had a limit on the HP of about 5,000 feet, 7,500 feet, just depending on the number of copies. And Domino, we're up to 35,000, 40,000 feet. Just has given us such an ability to go a different direction, volume-wise, through the press. More than anything was speed. We were able to get twice as fast through the Domino as we were through the HP. The quality looked just as good. You know, quality is excellent, and we've never had an issue with quality. So, yeah, it's a game changer, 100%. Right after we bought the press, COVID hit not too long after that, and now everybody needs labels, from the QR codes to the consecutive barcodes, and that's where the K600 came in. And the reason we went with the K600i, 1, quality. I mean, the barcodes are unbelievable. And 2, speed. That thing can go up to like 492 feet a minute. You know, you can run this stuff and it verifies it. So time is money. With the Domino, there's no downtime. It's heaven for us. Domino has always been a favor of mine. Great people that stand behind what they say. You know, it's like COVID had just stricken. And the Domino guy literally loaded up his trailer, loaded up his car, drove down here, parked in our parking lot, slept in his trailer, and worked on our piece of equipment. I mean, how much more loyal and dedication can you get at that point in time in life where an employee for them did that, drove down from Chicago. It was awesome. It meant a lot. Domino's family, just great people. I mean, David Ellen is one of those vendors who's more than a vendor. You know, he's a friend. And to work with Domino is a blessing. It was just a win-win for Abbott Label and our customers. Thanks, Domino.